My grandma looks like she's 35 at 70. Best collagen aloe vera. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know aloe vera is not only a miracle drug for the skin, but you can also easily make your own natural moisturizer at home from this familiar plant. With just a few simple ingredients, I will reveal to you great skincare recipes from aloe vera, helping to reduce wrinkles, restore damaged skin, and keep your skin soft, smooth, firm, and youthful every day. The great thing is that they are all completely natural, easy to do, and almost cost nothing. You will be surprised by the results they bring. Let's explore with me right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Prepare a cup of clean water. I used a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Soak the aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, the aloe vera will secrete this yellow sap. Then wash the aloe vera under running water. Aloe vera is a perfect moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. It also reduces shine in oily and combination skin and is anti-inflammatory. Cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Cut the aloe vera into thick slices for easier blending. Next, put the aloe vera in a blender and puree. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Aloe vera hydrates the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains moisture balance for the skin. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Put the aloe vera in a clean, dry glass jar. Add a little sea salt to each jar. Sea salt helps improve blood circulation, heals scratches and wounds. Four drops of iodine. Iodine dissolves tissue proteins and is great for treating skin wounds. Mix well. Close the lid. Leave in a cool, dark place for 7 days. Apply this ointment to the joints every night. Apply the gel to the joints every night before going to bed for 12 to 14 days. Wash with warm water the next morning and apply another skin gel. Method 2. Prepare a glass cup. Pour water almost full. I use a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Soak the aloe vera in water for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, the aloe vera will secrete this yellow sap. Then wash the aloe vera under running water. Aloe vera is the best collagen, regenerates the skin, and provides deep moisture. It also helps to care for the skin very well. Dry the water on the aloe vera. Cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling the aloe vera safer. Once you have cut it neatly, place the leaf on the cutting board, the belly of the leaf facing up. Use a knife very gently to separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. After separating one side, use a spoon to scrape out the clear gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Do this repeatedly until all the leaves are used up. Cut the gel into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Next, put this gel in a blender to blend it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. With this method, you will get pure, fresh aloe vera gel. Can be used as a skincare mask, hair gel, or mixed with a drink to cool down and detoxify very well. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains moisture balance for the skin. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improves cellular immunity. Put aloe vera in a sealed glass jar. Aloe vera can be used as a skin moisturizer. Apply every night to the face, hands, neck, and chest area. Close the lid tightly. Store the gel in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. We also store pure aloe vera gel in the refrigerator. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments and hit the like button to motivate me to share more great tips. Thank you, my dear friends. Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better way, don't forget to share it with me. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.